Welcome back to another episode. Continuation from where we stop, simple harmonic motion. Okay, I have another question on the board. This one is very interesting. When a mass M is hung on a spring, the spring stretches 6 centimeters. Determine its period of vibration if it is then pulled down a little and release. Take pi as what? 20/7 and g as 10 meters per second square. This is an SSE question and it's very simple. Okay, what are we looking for right here? We are looking for what? Period of what? Vibration. Period of vibration for an oscillating spring is 2 pi square root mass over the force constant. In this case, we're not giving what? The mass, and then we're not giving what? The force constant of the spring. So what should we do? But we're told in this question that the mass M is hung on the spring. If the mass is hung on the spring will do what? We extend. For instance, if this is the spring, let's say this is the spring, and then this is the mass. Once this mass is hung on this spring, the spring will go down a little. If this we're told that the spring extend by what? Okay, let us assume that this is the what? The mass, and from here to here is what? 6 centimeters. That is the extension of the spring from the question. Due to what? The mass. Okay. Now, there is a force that normally, which aim is to restore this body to what? To the mean position. And that force is known as what? The restoring force. The force is given by what? F equals to what? Ke. This is gotten from Hooke's law. More reason you have to be on my YouTube channel. Because if this mass pull this spring a little bit by what? 6 centimeters. If it tends to drag it a little, it starts what? Oscillating. There is a force which aim is to do what? Is to restore the mass back to its what? Mean position. That force is the restoring what? Force, which is gotten from what? Hooke's law. That is the force directly proportional to the what? Extension. And what is the force in this case? The force in this case is what? Mg is equals to what? Ke. Because the force is going down due to what? Gravity. So force is what? Mg. Now, when we look at this, Mg equals to Ke, we can deduce the fact that M over K is equals to what? E over G. From this equation, we can get this equation. Can you see that? Tell me you can see this. Tell me you can really see what I'm doing. It's very simple. Look at it right here. From here, I can say divide both sides by G. If I divide here by G, I divide here by G, G cancel out G, I have M equals to what? Ke over G, isn't it? Then I say right here, divide both sides by what? K. Divide here by K, divide here by K. So K cancel out K. So what do I have? M over K is equals to what? E over what? G. You can see it. This way clarified. So M over K, which is mass over the force constant of the spring, is equals to what? E over what? G. So we just do what? Substitute it right here. So that is the period is equals to what? 2 pi square root. Instead of M over K is what? E over what? G. So this is E, which is the extension over what? G. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the equation we need for this question. The next step to do is to substitute values and solve. Finish. No need again. So therefore, this is period is equals to 2 times pi. Pi is what? 22/7 times square root. This is extension. Extension is 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters convert to meter is 0.06 meter. So this is 0.06, 0.0 what? 6 over G is what? 10. So this is T is equals to, what do we have here? This is 44 over 7 times what? 0.06 divided by 10, we have 0.006. Okay, so therefore period is equals to, we just use our calculator to do this. So this is square roots 0.006 times, this is 44 over 7. Okay, what do I have here? What I have here is 0.487 in what? Seconds. Approximately to what? 3 decimal places is what? 0.487 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of this episode. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. There is going to help you. If you're a student, you have to be there. Everything you need to know in physics to prepare you for what exam is there. All the topics are well aligned, and also in mathematics. And don't forget, we have a lecture center in Benin City, Quest Tutorials, right there at number 1 Urubi Street, off Iyaro, just beside the waterboard. There you have it, opposite Yoruba Street. We are having classes for science, arts, and social science. If you are in Benin City, make sure you are there. Thank you, and God bless you.